Hideo! Who's Hideo? Okay. So yeah, it took four deaths to activate the method in Twin Snakes.
Win, Snake, win!
I don't know how many times it will take on this version.
That's Psycho Mantis, former KGB psychic. He has powerful telepathic abilities. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, he came to America looking for a job. He worked with the FBI on several cases as a psychic profiler. 5 years ago, he was working on the case of a multiple serial murderer, and he got too far into the killer's mind. As a result, he became just like the killer.
So he was sort of infected by this serial murderer's thoughts?
In any case, after that he became a sort of psychic spy working for the highest bidder. He traveled all around the world. That's when he was recruited by Foxhound. He can read people's minds. He knows every move that you're going to make.
What should I do? I've got
A
no chance
node.
of beating
Did you say
There must
nerd?
be some
Not
way.
nerd.
Mastering and
Node.
controlling people, Snake. Don't let him manipulate you.
So yeah, I think I gotta fire a couple of shots in them to start off with. And then
Not everything you see with your 2 eyes is real. Destroying his spirit is more important than destroying his body.
Don't let him read you. Be a blank slate, okay? Clear your mind.
okay, I need to now call him again.
He read your mind with his psychic abilities. Somehow you've got to get around him.
This is taking quite a few calls.
He's using his psychic ability to read your controller's moves. That's how he's evading your attack. You've got to do something so he can't read your controller's moves. Think. There must be some way. I've got it. Use the controller port. Plug your controller into controller port 2. If you do that, he won't be able to read your mind. I've got it. You
Okay.
I've got it.
Wait, he still takes damage? Well, either way.
I've got it. I've got it.
Okay, I think I might have to die here on purpose. It's got nothing to do with Hideo. That pops up no matter what. It requires you to die four times, I think. Oh wow. You have to go all the way back here? That's alright. It's fine.
My head!
Come on, Mr. Foxhound. The commander is waiting.
So you gotta die 4 times, and then the colonel says, is there any reason why you can't use your controller port swap trick? Never mind. Shoot the statues. Can't believe you have to do this again. But yeah, the Hideo thing comes up no matter what. That's just the first name of the director of the game, Hideo Kojima. Alright, Megan.
Snake, is there some reason you can't use controller port 2? Ah, well, it's okay. Do
You only
see
need to
something
die
that looks
once.
like a statue on both sides of the room?
Yeah. You mean those things with their faces all wrapped up in leather bands?
Yes. Attack those statues to uncover their faces.
Why?
Those statues were modeled after Mantis's real face. Mantis despises the sight of his own face. He suddenly sees his own disfigured face staring at him. It might break his concentration.
Snake, if you destroy the faces of those statues, you should be able to disturb Mantis's psychic powers.
This is the alternate method, guys. It only required one death. Which is surprising. I don't know if it's RNG or not, but... He does Hideo again.
Betty, bring me everyone. You need everyone.
Thanks for the host, Jeff. Hope you've been well. So yeah, just to show you guys. Whoops, no. Yeah, I'm on controller port 1. Oh no, I'm gonna get hit. I don't really need. I'll just get rid of it. It's not really necessary.
Why couldn't I read your mind?
I just chucked it in there so I can track a few things, but I don't need it to constantly talk about stuff. Oh geez, Meryl. So yeah, I'm beating. Thanks for the host, Valiant. I'm beating Psycho Mantis without changing controller ports.
Ready? Bring me everyone. You mean
How is he not reading my mind? The statues on the top of the screen. You have to shoot them down after Colonel says. You're not using the controller port trick? Alright, here's another trick. So you have to die at least once for it to work. Nice. So yeah, that's going in the highlight
Your
reel
niece is going to
and
be
on
okay.
YouTube.
Thanks, Snake. I owe you one.
Now that Mantis is beaten, Meryl's brainwashing should wear off, right, Naomi?
Yes. But why did you go so far out of your way to save her? For Campbell's sake, or maybe it's because you like her?
Sorry, what?
I
What?
don't want to see
Jiggly
any
what?
woman die right in front of me.
Oh, really? Since when did anybody's death bother you so much?
Naomi, it's true that Snake has killed a lot of people, but that doesn't mean he doesn't have a heart.
It's okay, Colonel. She's right.
so? You used the other.
Nope, I didn't. I shot the statues.
I wasn't able to read the future.
A strong man doesn't need to read the future. He makes his own.
Perhaps so, but I'll read your future. To get to Metal Gear's underground maintenance base, you have to go through
Thanks
that.
for the follow, Subnet Striker.
There's a hidden door behind the bookcase.
He was banging.
Route. It's blocked by frozen
Hey,
glaciers.
Subnet.
Go past the communication towers and use the tower's walkway.
Why are you telling me this?
I can read people's minds. In my lifetime, I have read the pasts, presents, and futures of thousands upon thousands of men and women.
Oh, gross.
And each mind that I peered into was stuffed with the same single object.
Well,
of
I am playing
obsession.
Metal Gear Solid.
Selfish.
Yeah, I
Atavistic
recognize your
desire
name. Welcome.
To pass on one seed was enough to make me sick.
Good to see you.
Every living thing on this planet exists to mindlessly pass on their DNA. We're designed that way.
I'm not just a fan, I'm a fanboy. I'm obsessed with these games.
You are different. You're the same as us. We have no past, no future. We live in the moment. That's our only purpose. Humans weren't designed to bring each other happiness. From the moment we're thrown into this world, we're fated to bring each other nothing but pain and misery.